Hello students, this is class 6th English. Today we are going to do lesson 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Before you read, here I would like to let everybody know that who is Kalpana Chawla and why is she still living in our hearts. In 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. So here aboard means onto a ship, an airplane, etc. So here it means onto. Crew onto the US Space Shuttle Columbia, and she was the first woman from India to go into space. Sadly means unfortunately, unluckily, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. Tragedy means a bad event. She lost her life, and in the second mission there was a tragedy due to which she could not come back to the earth. Now let us see who is Kalpana Chawla. She gave a message to the students that the path from dreams to success does exist. Means there is a path, or we can make a path from dreams to success that is totally in our hands. May you have the vision to find it. Now this is again upon us, that how do we find that path, how do we make that path, the courage to get onto it. Now if we dream about something very good and we want it to be true, then we should have courage and vision to make it true. Wishing you a great journey. Now this is the message which was given by her to the students. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel. Unlike a rocket, for example, between Earth and a space station. Here, I am telling you the definition of space shuttle, that what is space shuttle, because it is going to be used in the chapter many times. I repeat, a space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, for example, between Earth and a space station. Not for general travels, but for the travel which is being done between Earth and a space station. There was a news report about Kalpana Chawla, that what did she do and how did she go to the space. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. This was the heading of the news report. Tragedy means a bad event. A bad event in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia turned into flames. And how did it happen? Let's read. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia. Unprecedented means never happened before. Means a tragedy, a bad event which had never happened before, in US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying, which had India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others. It means how many members were there in all? There were 7 members in all and broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. It means all the 7 members, Kalpana Chawla and 6 others who were with her, all those 7 members turned into flames as the space shuttle moved over Texas. Texas is a place in United States towards its landing strip on Saturday when the space shuttle was towards its landing strip on Saturday, and on that day there was date 1st February 2003. Those all 7 members turned into flames and they all were all those members killed on that day. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 am, means in the morning only. The shuttle had lost its contact with NASA as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude. Altitude means height. The shuttle was flying at the height over 2 lakh feet. Now you can imagine 1 feet is equal to 12 centimeter, and the shuttle was flying at the height over of 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometer per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Now you can imagine the shuttle was at a very high speed and it was running too fast when it lost its contact with NASA. Columbia had lifted off. Here off is used for separation. On 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It means Kalpana Chawla and the other 6 members started their journey from Kennedy Space Center, Florida on 16th January 2003. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. Means the spacecraft stayed in orbit for how many days? 16 days. And all the 7 members, means Kalpana Chawla and other 6 members, all of them conducted 80 experiments in all before the spacecraft started its downward journey. Downward journey means the journey towards Earth, which ended in tragedy. Tragedy is bad event, and you know that what was the tragedy? This was Columbia's 28th space flight and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Means the space shuttle through which Kalpana Chawla and the other 6 members were going, that was having its 28th space flight, and that shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Now it was good enough to come back. It was not bad space shuttle, but it was good one. Still this mishappening had happened. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamt as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. Frontiers means a border between two countries. She didn't even think that she would even cross the border of her own country. but she had gone to the space also. So as a child she didn't even think so that she had done in her life and made all the Indians proud of her. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. For her, that was also a very big thing that her parents allowed her to attend engineering, because at that time for girls it was not allowed to do the college after 12th, but she did and her parents allowed, and it was a big thing for her. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering. Now aeronautical means a science that deals with airplanes and flying. So she did engineering in aeronautical against great opposition from her father. Opposition means her father was not in favor of her decision that she took to do aeronautical engineering. Okay, so she opposed her father and she got graduated. She did Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering. After that she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. So, she is the first Indian American woman who went to space. Now you can see how did she look when she went on a journey to the space. This was the dress up that she had at that time. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. So, here the question is, where was Kalpana Chawla born? She was born in Karnal in Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. Here, naturalized means naturally she became a US citizen because she married to a US citizen who was Jean Pierre Harrison. So she also became a US citizen. That's why here it is said naturalized. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed, means she had got the license to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. Besides means in addition to. In addition to being an astronaut, she was an astronaut also, but later she got the license to fly land airplanes, seaplanes, gliders, and later she was also a certified flight instructor as well. Now, I know many of you might be thinking that what are single engine land airplanes? So, here I'll show you the picture of single engine land airplanes. This is single engine land airplanes and it looks like this. Now I'll show you multi-engine land airplanes. How does it look like? It looks like this. You can see it. Next I'll show you single engine seaplanes. This is single engine seaplane and this is glider, for which Kalpana Chawla she was certified. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. And what was that challenge? Applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. And that was a bit challenging for Kalpana Chawla, and that she did. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Rest of the explanation of the chapter will be given tomorrow, and it is the time to assign you homework. Answer the following questions in your rough notebook on the basis of understanding of today's explanation. Question number 1. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Dear, you can just answer the questions in fair notebook also, and when you get the solution of the answers of the questions, then you can make editing or you can check it with your pencil whether your answer is right or wrong. Question number 2. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? Thank you so much.